Right, I've got a new set of headphones. Lad uses them for his PlayStation or whatever. And basically, I'll zoom in. It's got an absolute knackered charge port. It's just totally shorting out. Hope you can see. It rattles as well. So I looked online and I couldn't find a teardown video. So I thought I'd show you how to take it apart. Obviously, put the microphone up, show you how to take it apart. So I want to get to that charge port, right? And right, the model of this, if I can show you, is I've used an iPhone, so let's zoom in. Can you see? How do you make it focus? Earforce Stealth 400 RX. Yeah, sorry, crap quality. Right, so the first thing you want to do, pull the microphone out, obviously. I'm going to be working on the other side of the headphones. And it's not really that hard. This, first of all, I've got to remove this rubber. And it just literally peels off. Just peel it off. Let's show you. Almost pulls off, but just once you've got it peeled off, see? Peel it away. And you're left with that. 4 screws in here. I don't know what size they are, but I'm using, I think it's a Posi 2 millimeter. I'm using a 1.5 for my phone. That I use for phones. It seems to fit. Right. So I'm going to pull these 4 screws out. I couldn't find a video. Online how to tear this down, so I had to work it out myself. Sorry, you can only see my hands at the moment, but I'll probably whiz through this. Let's give it a quick magnetise. So I thought, yeah, I'll pull it apart and I can share it with you. Oh, sorry, my hand's in the way, but I'm hoping your head cam might be useful for you in a minute. Ah, the one thing I did forget actually, before I even started, I might not need to do it yet. Right, so them 4 screws are released, but there's 4 screws here. Need to take them out really, because that releases the headset, so I'm going to do that next. I should have done it first, but we're going ass around, whatever. They're different size screws. Oh no, they're all the same by the looks of things. It's not like doing an iPhone, is it? Pull them 4 screws. Oh, sorry, my hand's in the way, but you can see what I'm doing. Four screws come out and that little plate just pops up somehow. It just comes off. There you go, pops off. Pop that little plate off, that, and the headset comes free. Gives you a bit more working room. Right, so now we're down to this. So you've got to lift it off gently. Right, I've not done this before. Oh, that was easy. Right, so I'm going to pause now, have a look at this, come back. Right, we're looking fairly straightforward. We've got two screws here, little Phillips, one there, one there. There's 2 cable connectors there, so what I'm going to do is remove them. I'll do it with my fingernails. There's one out. Obviously be careful what you're doing, you don't want to be pulling wires off. I've got a pair of tweezers here. So I'm trying to do it so you can see. Come on, get off there. You know you want to. So that comes free. But there's a couple of wires, so that's obviously got to go underneath. Don't want to be pulling these wires, so don't be doing any unnecessarily soldering. And 2 screws here, so there's one here. different size screws, put them in a separate pile. And I've told you a plastic part there. It shouldn't be there. That is from this little button here that I noticed is broken as well. So that's going to need fixing. So I may not fix it in this video, but I'll show you how to take it apart. And I presume this board just lifts up now. Let's have a look. Oh, it does, it just lifts away. Oh, look at that. Right, I'm suspecting, because these ports at the front, it's got a lift at the back and come away from the front. There it is coming. There you go, you can see how I've done it. Right, I've got to go careful here, because I don't know what's... Right, that seems fairly simple. Obviously that wire's going through, I'll have to be careful and slip that through. I hope you can see this. Right, so there's the main board. Right, so what I need to do, I've got to replace this. Try and lift it up. That charge port. And there needs to be a button there. So that might be a later video because I have to order the parts in. But it helps you how to take these apart.